Hi children, we have learned there are some organ system in our body to perform some important functions of our body. The organs of an organ system work together to carry out that function. In our today's class, let's discuss about some of the organ system. Okay, observe a toy. You can see the cotton inside it. What will happen if we take out the cotton from it? Will it have any shape? No, isn't. Like that, our body also have a shape. How we get this shape? Can you imagine? All of you, press your leg with your hand. How do you feel? Yes, you can feel a hard structure inside of our skin, isn't? So what gives the proper shape to our body? Let's learn about the skeletal system. Then you can understand what gives proper shape to our body. Okay. Then we are going to discuss about the skeletal system. The framework of bones in the human body is known as the skeletal system or skeleton. Okay. The framework of bones in the human body is known as the skeletal system. Do you know the skeleton of an adult human has 206 bones? And what is the function of this skeletal system? It gives shape and support to our body. Okay, the skeletal system, the bones help us to stand straight and walk on our foot. Okay. Then it also protects our important internal organs. Okay, our important internal organs are covered by the bones, like our brain. Okay, brain is protected by skull and our lungs are inside of rib cage. Okay, so these are the functions of skeletal system. Now do you understand what is the function of skeletal system? So what gives shape to our body? Yes, isn't? It is the skeletal system. You can note it down in your notebook. See the skeletal system and what are the bones it consists of. Now let's learn about the muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles. Okay, muscle is a soft tissue. There are different types of muscles in our body. And what is the function of this muscular system? The muscular system is to produce force and movement in the body. Okay, it is the function of the muscular system. Okay, you just note it down in your notebook. See the picture of muscular system. Some muscles are attached to the bones while some are directly attached to the organs. For example, cardiac muscles. Muscles help the bones to move and enable us to chew food, talk, walk, run and move our body parts. Children, what did you eat today? for breakfast? Okay, just name the food items that you ate in the morning. Okay, dosha, idli, chapati, etc. Okay. Why do we need to eat food? Yes, we need to eat food to get energy to our body. Very good. That is why we are eating our food like rice, chapati, dosha, isn't? These foods provide energy to our body. Do you know? Our body cannot absorb these food items in the form of it is eaten. Okay, we are eating the hard foods that cannot absorb by our body. So, these hard food items need to break down into small pieces. That is performed by our digestive system. Then the digestive system. The organs that are involved in the process of digestion form the digestive system. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are the major organs of digestive system. Okay, what is the function of this digestive system? Yes, we know our complex food has to be broken down to simple form to absorb by our body. Okay, that function is performed by our digestive system. Okay, so our digestive system perform digestion. What is digestion? The process of breakdown of foods into smaller components that can be easily absorbed by our body. That process is known as digestion. Okay. So what is digestion? The process of breakdown of food into smaller components that can be easily absorbed by our body. Okay. What are the organs help the process of digestion? Yes, that are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Okay, these organs help to perform digestion. Then you just note it down in your notebook. Then let's know the process of digestion. See the diagram of digestive system. The process of digestion begins from our mouth. The teeth break down the food into smaller pieces. The saliva in the mouth mixes with the food and makes it soft. The softened pieces of food move to the stomach through the food pipe. Digestive juices in the stomach mix with the food and form a paste. From the stomach, the food goes into the small intestine. The juices in the small intestine further digest the food. Here, the useful parts of the food are absorbed by the blood and carried to the other parts of the body. The food that cannot be digested by our body goes into the small intestine, goes into the large intestine. It is then removed from the body through the anus. Okay, It is the process of digestion. So the process of digestion begins from our mouth. The small intestine absorb the useful parts of the food into our body. Okay, and the undigested materials goes into the large intestine and it is then removed from the body through anus. Understood the process of digestion? Okay. So students, in our today's class, we have discussed about the skeletal system, the muscular system and the digestive system. Hope all of you understood well this organ system and their functions. Okay, thank you.